Hi, in this video I want to show you how to use the check spelling option in Inkscape, and even if you are very good at spelling, it's a good habit to use this option because people tend to make a lot more mistakes when they're typing text on a computer. You can find the option in the text menu, check spelling, and the first thing you need to know about this option is that it works only on text objects. So you can apply effects to these objects with filters. For example, here I've applied a filter, here I have dropped shadow. The check spelling option will work, but if you convert one of these objects to a path, for example using the nodes tool, and this option converts selected object to path, this no longer be a text object, and therefore the check spelling option won't detect any mistakes in this object. Second, to use this option you don't need to have anything selected, and it doesn't matter how many text objects you have, the check spelling option will still work and detect mistakes in all of them. Now let's go to the text menu and select check spelling, and you see that instantly it detected a mistake. So we can correct that by selecting one of the suggestions here, and this one is correct in this case. So let's select it, and then we can click accept, and this will correct the mistake in our text. It detected the next one, we can select it and click accept, and here I wrote the name of my channel, and because this is not a real word, Inkscape detected that there is a mistake here and we have some suggestions, but I want to leave it the way it is. And let's say that I have a long text where I often use this word. I can choose the ignore option, and this will ignore this word in this session. This means that no matter how many times I have this word along the way, it will no longer be detected by the check spelling in this session. And what a session means is that if I close this and start it again, I will be starting another session. Now I can also choose to ignore this word only once. This means that if I have it again along the way, Inkscape will detect it as a mistake again. And another example, if you want to make sure this word is never detected as a mistake again, no matter how many projects or sessions you start, you can choose the add to dictionary option. And I have done this with the word Inkscape. It used to detect it as a mistake, but once I added it to the dictionary, it no longer does that. And finally, unfortunately, this tool is not perfect. Sometimes you may make a mistake, but by accident spell another existing word correctly, and therefore the tool will not detect it as a mistake. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful, and if it was, subscribe, like the video, visit my channel, check out my beginner's guide videos where I explain all the basics. So that's it for now. Bye.